na nagsasabi na hindi na tama to eh. Hindi na maganda yung nangyayari, naapektuhan na yung mga anak nyo. Baka
Mm.
it's time. It's high time for you to go your separate ways. So definitely, there were some bad parts to it, but
Mm.
kaming magkakapatid, we were actually relieved.
When they finally did so.
Yeah. Kasi
Wow.
my mother was holding on to the marriage
Oo.
for us. I think majority naman of the parents hold on to their marriages for the children. Kasi sabihin nila, ayokong makita yung anak ko na sira yung family.
Oo.
Pero kasi ang hindi nare-realize minsan ng parents is nakikita rin naman ng mga anak nyo if unhealthy or dysfunctional yung relationship nyo.
Yeah. Sa
So,
tingin mo ba, bakit naisip ng mga parents is baka mabully kayo sa school or ikahiya niyo na kayo, alam mo yun, baka mamaya you blame yourselves for the parents separating kasi may mga ganyang thought process yung iba eh, di ba?
definitely. Pero kasi, as a family, you're supposed to build a home. So that as children, we are supposed to feel the home. Hindi
Yeah.
parang pag galing kami sa school, uwi lang kami sa isang bahay. And for the longest time, it was like that. Na umuwi lang kami because we need a bed to sleep in. Hindi na siya safe for us.
Okay, what do you mean by safe? Did it become like very hindi na siguro vocal yan or verbal? Did it become more physical na rin? You
All
guys
of
don't feel
all of the
safe?
above. The
Oh.
emotional, the mental, the physical trauma, it was coming at us at a pace.
Mm. Wow. So when you guys talk to your parents, did you guys like meet them or parang bawat isa sa kanila napagsabihan nyo and yung decision to tell them, did something huge happen? Describe that moment.
Kung ako kasi tinatanong mo, kung ako
Yeah.
lang, I cannot speak for my other siblings. With my mother,
Mm.
it was gradual, but it was happening. So ilang beses ko siyang inulit.
Oo.
Baka hindi na dapat talagang ilaban. Baka mali na
Hmm.
kasi matatanda na kami, alam na namin yung tama at mali.
Oo.
Kung lagi kang nasasaktan, wag na. So
Ah,
and then she would be resilient. So
yeah.
uulitin mo ulit yung discussion after ilang months, after ilang weeks.
Oo.
With my father, I think we discussed it once. Because well, kasi hindi rin naman kami close ng father ko. So I think yung isang beses na yon
Oo.
more than enough kung ako yung
Yeah.
ano